down, and they explain the process to me. They sand it down, and then they basically just kind of glue this piece of red rubber, really soft red rubber, to the bottom of your shoe. And therefore, rubber is a lot more nice on your joints in your feet than feeling the floor before you feel the rubber, you know what I mean? So anyway, that's what's on the bottom of the shoe, just debris from walking around outside. And as you can see, there's a lot less wear on the bottom of the shoe because of the rubber. Next, I'll move on to, you can see where the rubber ends and the red sole that was originally designed for the shoe begins in its shiny, gorgeous glory. And yeah. Also on the bottom of your shoe, you'll find that it says the size that you purchase your shoe in. I purchased